Still think the best popcorn is at the movies? Think again. I'll show you how to make the best popcorn in your workshop without a drop of oil. Watch carefully and create healthy and delicious popcorn for your family in your workshop.
I've walked the aisles of the neon screens and tasted the dust of the fairground scenes. But the gold they sold was soaked in grease, a heavy shadow on a masterpiece. I sought a crunch that was pure and light, so I retreated to the workshop light, with a seeker's mind and a steady hand to build what's missing in this modern land. My intellect sparks in the midnight oil, studying physics, the heat and the coil, discarding the old, the cheap and the bland, with technical blueprints and a master plan. It's a journey, a trial, a quest for the best, putting my theories to the ultimate test. From the spark of a thought to a physical form, a revolution starts to perform. I'm forging the steel, I'm shaping the shine, a symphony of metal, a perfect design, stainless and silver, aluminum bright, crafting the future in the glow of the light. No drop of oil, just a science of air, the healthiest crunch beyond compare. A machine like no other, born from my soul, taking back the popcorn, taking control. Taking back the popcorn, taking control. Look at the mirrors, the polished gleam, the high-grade alloys of a maker's dream. Every bolt is tightened, every curve is true, tuned for a flavor that's entirely new. It's not just a tool, it's a work of art, where logic and passion are never apart. I've refined the texture, I've balanced the heat, to make every kernel a victory sweet. It's the weight of the metal, the strength of the frame. In my own workshop, I'm changing the game, from a raw piece of sheet to a miracle made. In the temple of tools where the plans were laid, intellect meeting the grit and the grime, creating a legend, one grain at a time. I'm forging the steel, I'm shaping the shine, a symphony of metal, a perfect design, stainless and silver, aluminum bright, crafting the future in the glow of the light. No drop of oil, just a science of air, the healthiest crunch beyond compare. A machine like no other, born from my soul, taking back the popcorn, taking control. Taking back the popcorn, taking control. Now step into my world, let the lesson begin. I'll show you the magic that's hidden within. I'll teach you the craft, the weld and the way to bring this invention to your own day. Health in your bowl and pride in your hand, the finest machine in all of the land. Pure heat, pure heart, no oil, just art. From my workshop to yours, from my workshop to yours, yeah. From my workshop to yours. Taking back the sound, I'm taking enjoy.
Mode 1 and mode 2. And let's go.
Walk through the theaters, the fairgrounds too. Same old story, never something new. But in my workshop, steel and shine, crafting a dream, a new design. No oil, no grease, just air and heat. The perfect popcorn can't be beat.
Best popcorn of the world.